Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Penelope Liight. Yes, I am here to show you the behind the scenes of me creating the look for my theme song intro for my videos. I hope you guys like it. Oh, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, and definitely join my family. Alright, as you can see, I'm going in and putting some makeup on, contouring my neck, adding my lashes. I had to speed this up a little bit, but let me slow it down, because this right eye always gives me trouble. If you know, you have that one eye that just always just doesn't do right. Alright, let me go ahead and go in with the bake, so I won't have too much shine on the camera, as you can see here. And yes, that bake was from the crayon case. I love their products. And yes, I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my wig that I wanted for the look for the shoot. Don't worry, I know it looked a little stiff, but it's because it got a little product on it already. Don't worry, your girl got it. I'll take care of it. This is what I do. I used to do hair for a long time, over 20 years. So I got it. So I'm just gonna put a couple curls in here just to add a little bit of volume. Ooh, let me get these bangs together, honey, because these bangs is not banging. Alright, maybe if I add some earrings to it, they could just, complete the look. Okay, there we go. I'm starting to look like somebody. Just a little lip gloss. And then I'm just going to go in, fix that bang again. Alright, and here is the green screen portion of it. I'm setting up my studio, making sure everything is good with it, no wrinkles. I'm going to set up my lights in my studio. I'm only going to use one. I don't need it too bright for what I'm doing. And then I'm going to start each frame. So this is my first shot I'm doing. Oh my God, this next shot that I do, it was so tough because my pinky toe was actually stumped from hitting it on the couch. But your girl made it through, and of course, I'm a pro, so I did it. Oh, sorry, I didn't do that one well. So here is my second take, and I spin, and boom, I got it. Hey. And that's a wrap. I hope y'all like my new intro video. See y'all later.
She likes to learn everything. She loves to post it.